Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. So once again, you find me doing a little bit of cooking to help, and this segment, as you know, is called Cooking Made Simple. So hopefully this will be another simple recipe that you can try yourselves. I do this quite often, and I really do like it. So it is another simple salad recipe. So as you can see, there are lots and lots of things that we put in salads. So for this particular one, we have some chickpeas. So these are out of a tin. So as you can see, they are quite soft, but you can use some fresh things. So these are, I mean, some of these are actually sort of British more than Mediterranean, but we like them. So we have some pak choy there. We have some celery here. We have two types of lettuce. This one is called round, and this one is called little gem. So at the heart of a Mediterranean salad is, of course, all the green things. Okay, and I've just missed one other green thing here, which is cucumbers. Okay, and as well as that, we have tomatoes, either cherry tomatoes or plum tomatoes, or you could even use big tomatoes, but it's always nicer to have them in, you know, this sort of what we call bite size. And similarly, the cucumber, you know, we like it this bite size. And we have some radish over here. So no Mediterranean dish would be complete without olives, so lots of olives. We have some onions over there, and we have some carrots that are sliced. So there's a few things that are going to form the seasoning. I'll explain those. So you know, my secret is the lime juice, honey, and then there's some virgin olive oil as well. So we're going to make room for the dish and then show you the steps. Can we start with the chickpeas, please? Okay, so we've got lots and lots of chickpeas. Can we add the potatoes to that, please? Okay. Cucumbers. Olives. So we need to add spices at various stages so that they come to your taste. So we always like pepper. So this is a good stage to put pepper in there. And after this, we're going to put some salt. Lots of salt all over, salt to taste. Okay, can we give that a good mix, please?
Mix.
Yeah, mix it nice. So the next thing to go in is the celery. And can we have the tomatoes? Oh, sorry, carrots. Yes, you're correct. Carrots in there. Okay, so these are all what we call the solid things. Can we give that a good stir? Okay, we're going to add the other spice that I like, which is chilies, because you don't have to have this if you don't want. That's enough, I think.
That's enough.
Give that a good mix. Okay, that's a lovely mix. Can we add the onions and tomatoes? Yeah, tomatoes you can do first.
Tomatoes first.
And the onions, please.
The onions.
Give that a good mix.
Oh yeah, sorry.
And finally, the leafy stuff, as I call it. Okay, so as much as you want. I think that's enough of that one. Can we have the others? So that is the round lettuce. So a little bit of, what's this one called? Little gem. And finally, the pak choy. So just 2 more ingredients to put on. Firstly, can we have the radishes on, please? Okay, spread those all over. Okay, lots and lots of radishes. So, okay, once those are on, so at this stage we're going to put some more salt and pepper. So the radishes need the spices, and the one that I've chosen is salt and pepper. Okay, can you give that a little bit of a mix, please? And finally, the beetroot. So you notice we put this at the end because it is going to colour all the other things. But if you want to don't mind it colouring other things, then you can give it a good mix. Okay, now for the seasonings as it were. So the first thing that we have is yogurt. So spread that all over. So no salad is complete without yogurt, or no Mediterranean salad is complete. Okay, so there is our yogurt that we're going to put on. Spread that all over and then mix. Okay, so I should have emphasized that we need to turn this ever so gently, because you don't want the colouring of the beetroot all over. Okay, that is lovely. Okay, thank you very much. So we're ready for the final seasoning now, viewers, and the first of which is the extra virgin oil. Okay, 2 spoons. Spread that all over. And once again, we give that a good mix. Okay, we need to give that a good mix there, nice and gently.
Thank you.
No, a bit more, please.
Nope, nope, nope.
Okay, just one more seasoning to do, which is the secret one, as I say. So a bit of lemon in there. Put that over.
Oh yeah.
Can we have some more lemon into this? Okay, so this is once again gives it a flavour. And so into that we're going to add some honey.
Oh.
Just a little too much honey there, viewers, so we had a little bit of a spill, but that is what's going to go on. Okay. Okay, that is excellent. Okay, so if we could put that over the salad. I'm sure you all have little accidents like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to give it a final coating of salt and pepper.
Which is?
So salt and pepper to taste.
Oh yeah.
And a bit of salt.
Which is?
Okay, excellent. I'm going to give that a toss and a turn. So the final toss and turn, as it were. And there we have it, viewers. A wonderful, wonderful Mediterranean salad to go along with your, what shall we say, unhealthy food like the oily pakoras, etc. I'm only joking. We're entitled to our pakoras at the end of a fast, but we love this Mediterranean salad. There's only one other thing that people put in, and that's bell peppers, but we have people that don't like that, so we put the ingredients in that we have used. Obviously you have your own taste, you put your own things in. I've put it to my taste, so I do hope you liked my recipe. I do hope you will try it. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching, please watch fully, tell all your friends about the channel. So until the next time, goodbye, look after yourselves, look after others, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना, अल्लाह हाफिज.